Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It is 55 degrees. It's kind of chilly, 55 degrees, because it just rained earlier. So, gonna pull in here to the supermarket, and there's a mud hole right there. Nice. So, you guys ever wore your helmet into the supermarket? Let's try it. Oh, okay. Thanks. He said I had my tail bag unzipped a little bit, which I knew that. It's not unzipped enough it matters. Let's see if they run me out here and tell me I can't come in here with the helmet on. They might. I went to a convenience store one time and they did. And basically, she said it was because they couldn't see who you are. So if you was to steal something or try to rob the place, freak that kid out, um, they wouldn't be able to see who you are. So let's get something healthy, like a frozen pizza. That's healthy. Fully loaded. Fully loaded Supreme. Brick oven meat trio. I don't know what to get. Brick oven Supreme. I guess I'll get a brick oven meat trio. So far, so good. But anyway, I watched a video too where this guy went to the Walmart with his helmet on, and he actually picked his stuff, went over and paid for it at the self checkout like I'm doing, and they come over and they banned him from the store. How dumb is that? Use pin pad to complete transaction. Huh. I think this is going to work, guys. So, have you guys ever tried it? Because I have seen people kicked out, no doubt. And like I said, one time I went to a convenience store and they told me I had to wear my helmet. Or I had to wear it. They told me I had to take it off. Now, I could see you going into a convenience store and having to take it off if you're going to buy cigarettes or alcohol because you know they're going to ID you and you had to look at your ID and see your face. But just going in a store like this, and maybe it is a good idea because maybe they think if you steal something, they won't know who you are. But the question is, have you guys ever tried this going into a supermarket or a convenience store with your helmet on? Have anybody ever ran into problems doing it? It's my first time other than a convenience store, so anyway, thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment if you've ever done this, if it worked, bad or good. What could go wrong, right? Catch you on the next one. Right on.